Are you still watching the China names, Rico? I remember a few months back you were interested in Baba,
Yeah,
KWeb.
they're still good.
They're in a pretty interesting pivotal point right here.
You should buy them.
Let's see. Yeah, I mean, yeah, could be decent long right from here. What are your thoughts on OKLO? Rico, you want to check that out? I'll pull it up as well. It looks to me it looks like it's building at a tight range formation. This It needs to break out over 28 pretty much in my eyes. Dip by you could try around 1850s.
I mean, I would buy it right now.
Yeah, you
20
could
is
also, yeah,
20, 20 is a good price.
20
Look at
20
the,
20.
yeah, 20 is good right here. It's 2066. You can't go wrong right now.
Yeah. Let's see how the options activity is on this one. I personally never looked at this before. January 1730 call. That's not bad.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, it could move uh, as you've seen over the last number of weeks since September. It's
Yeah, it's been
on a
a
climb.
uptrend.
On weekly, you could see a bull flag.
Hi Rico, how you doing?
Hey, Kelon, how are you? I'm okay.
Good too, man. Market is still in that range. 40 NQ especially on that it's in that 40 point range. 95 to 35. Just waiting to break any level.
Zscaler setting up pretty nicely as well. That's a cybersecurity name.
Again, it's NQ rejecting close to 35.
It rejected again. I'm not even looking at the futures anymore. That's how slow it was.
Yeah. The same thing, like it's just 95 to 35. That's the range. See
Yeah,
again.
I'm just watching individual tickers at this moment. Zscaler, Coinbase.
The wider market
Palantir,
wants
another
down.
nice move. What'd you say,
The
Rico?
wi- the wider market wants down. Tech wants up.
Yeah, it's a disconnect right now. To me, it still looks a bit exhausted here.
It is exhausted.
Yeah, it's a slowly putting in
It's a
distribution.
good day for range traders. Just short from top and long from bottom.
Yeah, Meta also looking fantastic right now.
Like, what are you looking? You're looking to long or short?
Individually, I'm looking to short.
Hmm.
So look at the bottom right corner. The ranges are narrowing, which is it's about to fall apart. Look at this.
Yeah, now it is between 15 to 35. So 20-point range now.
69, 60, 90, 150. You gotta watch out on the ES. If that breaks, we head down. And some of these scribbly lines that you see on my chart, they're kind of critical. If they start at the,
Which level stands out from those lines?
well, their representations are different. So there is a scribbly line here that you're seeing.
Yeah,
Then there's another one right here.
yeah,
This is the ultimate 60, 65. Once it goes below that, you're done for the upside.
yeah. 60,
And
65.
it's going to pull
Yeah,
back. It's good. Then it's going to pull back significantly. All of these are minor pullbacks. You could theoretically buy them, but it's been tested over the last few days, and it's supported, but it hasn't gotten a lot of momentum off of those. So eventually they'll kick right underneath it, and that's when the momentum will kick in.
yeah. I think 60, 65. That's also the low of Wednesday, I believe. That was the low of the day the market finally broke out.
Watch NQ again trying that 35.
Semiconductors are a bit interesting today as well. Nvidia weak, but the other names are strong. Avgo, for example. Avgo 180.25 is a pretty big level there. Tesla's a bit tricky today. So it looks like it wants to make a move higher, but it's just stuck here.
Watch it here.
Yeah, it looks like it's trying to gain some momentum right here.
Yeah.
But the way it has been trading today, it just keeps rejecting on
That's
every
what I'm
single
saying.
one.
So this is important right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Is to
Let's see if we get some continuation from here.
yeah, pushing. Let's see if it can hold.
It's close. It wants to make the move higher, but it just needs a little small push. ARM, another semi name that's setting up. It's pretty close to making a move higher as well. 143 key level on ARM. Bitcoin back above 100, 101,000.
Yeah, SMCA is yeah, that $20. I think it came around 21. That was a nice buy.
Yeah, I think it went to the low
Eight,
17s.
yeah, 17, 18. But once it reclaimed that 20, I was like, okay, that's a good long.
Yeah, it's going to fill this gap eventually. The
Yeah.
gap that it left on that news headline.
Okay, you're
It's
coming
setting
into a nice sell right here. Here's the sell.
That's on ES, right, Rico?
Yeah,
Yeah, it needs to break this level in order to continue high.
6100 is a sell.
Let's see how price reacts to that level. So far, the way the market has been moving, most likely higher probability that it will reject.
But it's going to. It'll
Yeah.
come back down. Uh,
Also, spies at a VWAP.
this is a sell. Anybody else listening who looking for a trade right here? It's the best trade available right now.
Man, let's see if we get some follow through to the downside. Hard rejection would be great.
I'm not expecting that something like that, but
Yeah.
you give it time, it's going to work out for you.
Yeah.
Sell the house. Yep. Right here. Not to get too itchy about clicking, just leave the cells. Hold on to the cells. It's just confirming it in.
Yeah. It seems like a fight between the buyers and sellers there.
They're just making it look like it. The sellers are going to win.
Let's see. I agree with you. Just the way the market has been trading today.
But that's a pretty strong candle, so
Yeah.
I'm leaning towards the other side. Let's see.
Let's see.
Might try NQ long from 45. Will let you know if I like it.
I would just keep selling.
If it breaks 45, I'll probably go short, but for now it's
I'd like to see Nvidia gain some momentum. That'll be extra conviction for the market to go higher. Up until that point, I don't think we can see some follow through to the upside. Microsoft still holding that 442 support that the level I provided yesterday. Retested that today and trying to pick back up from off of there. I've got tremendous strength in that name. Ever since that news headline dropped, just been pushing. Coming into that 180.25 key level, it's pretty close.
below here. I'll probably short. Needs to hold here. If it goes below, yes, I'll short here 6100.
Yeah, let's see how it plays out. I'm watching for a short as well.
NQ looks really strong though.
Yeah. Let's see. I'm waiting for the next 10-minute candle close. I'll most likely be taking a trade based around that. ZS, the cyber name I mentioned a bit earlier. That setup is very nice. Just keep going back to that. It has a room towards 220. Just need to find a good buy point in that. Rico, where would you look to reverse that position that you had on?
I'm not going to.
No, you're gonna hold it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to add more shorts in the zone
Yeah.
and then see if it pulls it back down to 6100.
Okay.
It's all predicated off of this candle right here. It's
Yeah.
not green yet, it's still forming. So you figure if this is my tick being the, what do you call, the wick is forming, and then it's going to pull it down.
Yeah. Let's see how it plays out.
NK looking really good. So once it reclaimed that 35 level, that was a trigger for me to go long. Once it held that 35 level, that's a nice, because it was rejecting it. There was a lot of rejection earlier
Did
from
did
there.
you end up entering? I remember you were saying that you were
I
looking
I
to.
I scalped for like 13 points.
Yeah.
I should
Nice.
have left it, but I was happy whatever I got. But let's see if I can get another pullback and see if it can hold. First will be 44 and then 35.
Yeah. Let's see. 10-minute candle's about to close as well in a few. I'll be watching for a trade based around that. Market is setting up for a move.
SPY over VWAP, that's another key factor. If it can hold over VWAP, that's nice.
Slow price action so far. YMDIA Dow Jones is slowly setting up as well. I'll be watching for an entry on this one. I'll most likely be a long trade. Watching closely. If there's any tickers that you guys would want us to review, just feel free to drop them in the comments, and then we'll get around to them. Small cap, large cap. MSTR basing right here. Just consolidating. Indexes are a bit delayed compared to the individual names. Individual names are a lot stronger.
NQ higher. Damn. That wasn't that
Avgo
easy.
is slowly creeping into that level that I've been talking about. 180.25. Amazon beautiful day there again. They another follow through day. 225 is a pretty big level here. Maybe some resistance. Just going through my screener right here. I have a MasterCard. I haven't looked at this name in a while, but it nice daily candle there. Could see some follow through action upside there in the following few sessions. Walmart tight price action today. Looks like it wants that 100 psych level. Just look at the candles on that one. Daily, weekly, monthly, non-stop trend higher. Netflix, another day there. Another good day there. Apple looks like a bit of an inside day. Yeah, Netflix, yeah, it's been a beast. That dip buy on November 26th was a good one. It landed right at the 10-day moving average and just bounced. It has been moving ever since. No real red day there. Let's see what the levels on Netflix are, the Fibonacci levels. Alright, 940 is a Fibonacci level I have. 940.72. Could be of interest there. Yeah, it looks like 940.72, 941 area. ES coming back a bit.
is 6100.
Yeah, right back to that 6100.
Hmm.
You're holding on, right?
Yep.
Well, what are you targeting? The green line that you have there?
Well, I'm actually looking to see if it breaks this blue line.
Okay. What is that? 60, 91, 50?
Yep.
Yeah, let's see. That would be a very clean move.
If it breaks it,
Yeah.
looking for a monster play. You have to be patient. It all depends on your goals, targets, right? Um,
Bitcoin taking off a bit right here. Clean action.
there we go. Come on, let's go. Push it down. Get in that zone. Get under it. Get under it. There it is. Pierce it.
Nice. I want to see some follow through right here. This would be the best time to see that.
There we go. There we go. Come on. This wick, that's what you were selling. Now you're going to realize all of this down and a couple more red. So at least up to here. You can open a put option call. By the way, we should have done that earlier.
Yeah, it says 7 day.
Yeah.
It yeah, it could still work from here as well.
No, it's better if you do to get the top end.
Yeah,
I mean, it could work, but it's not the best entry. There it is.
their puts are priced very cheaply right now too. I just realized that. Usually they're higher in value.
Yep.
It looks like the automated bot also entered the trade right there.
Yeah,
Yeah, went short on NQ.
it's not doing well right now.
Yeah, it's still running the five contracts, or you changed it up today?
No, just five contracts.
Five contracts. Same parameters as yesterday.
Yeah,
Let's see how this trade goes.
it'll work out.
Yeah, it lines up with what you're seeing on the other end as well.
Yeah, there it is. Come on. I'm not looking for a killing. I'm just looking to have small cuts.
Yeah, ES coming into VWAP right here as well.
It's gonna break it.
Yeah, let's see. Usually some buyers step in there.
Let them. Better them than me.
100%.
And here's a piercing. Come on.
Nice
Come
hold.
on.
Nice hold on that, Rico.
Come on down. Gotta be patient.
That's the name of the game. And then for the bot, it's running what was it, a 5 point target or 8 point target?
A 5 point target.
5 point target.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting in there, inching slowly towards that 5 points.
I know. That's the part that I don't like about it.
Yeah, it's close. It just needs one move lower. That it,
One
yeah,
push. That's it.
it is very close. What the highest it got up to was 4. All right, right
Yeah.
here maybe. Let's see it. Yeah, there you go. Nice, nice. What was that? Around $1,000.
Yep.
Nice. Man, it's been working great so far.
Yeah.
Any idea when you're gonna increase the contract size? I know last time you were doing around 50 contracts at one point.
Yeah. That wiped me down, man.
Yeah.
I need to get to a
Sticking
million.
five contracts for now.
I need to get this to a million. I
Yeah.
was in a rush. I thought I had 3 months to get that, but last week I thought I could get it in a month.
Yeah. Yeah. So when are you gonna go with the contract increase size?
Yeah. So the strategy is I'm going to pad the balance up to 125, and after 125, I'm gonna increase the contract sizing
To double the size or triple?
and double.
Double.
Yeah,
Yeah.
510. I'll go from 510 to 1020.
Okay. And then 20 is gonna you're maxing out at 20,
No, I'll max out at 40.
40, and no 50 this time.
No, no.
No, that's a good strategy. It's a good plan. I think it'll play out nicely.
Hopefully, I think it will.
Yeah. Yeah, Tesla's looking real good right here, just consolidating nicely. Looks like it wants to move towards that 400. No, not today, but over the next few sessions, maybe.
Yeah.
Are you increasing your targets on Tesla? I know 400 was your target from a few months back.
As of right now, I don't know. I will do some work in first week of January, and that's when
Yeah.
I'll do.
So you're pretty much waiting for the Trump presidency to come around,
Uh,
or
No, I normally have my process for the year,
Okay.
and then determine what the year is going to be like, where
Yeah.
it's trying to get to,
Yeah.
block out all this noise.
But Tesla wants to run. It's very close. Oh, what are the calls priced at for today? Let's check them out. Tesla 380 call is pretty cheaply priced right here. If anyone's interested in any lottos. Yeah, Tesla, let's see it. It's going for the high of day right now. 377.52 high of day on Tesla. Let's see how price reacts to that level. Decent chance it can make a move towards 380 today. Maybe even within the next 30 minutes to 1 hour.
So I wasn't paying attention in the morning. Did we gap up today or gap down? What happened?
I believe we gapped up. I woke up myself pretty late in the morning, so I didn't get a chance to fully review. But I'm pretty sure it was a gap up. Yeah, looks like the price just slowly grinded higher overnight session.
So
Yeah. Priced up, yeah. Gap up.
we opened at what right here, right? 6:30, right here. 60.93. Where did we close yesterday?
The close, let me check real quick. But I believe the close was a bit lower. We sold a bit into the close. Let me check. 66,088.75.
88.75.
88.75 was the close.
So there's like a 3 point gap, 5 point gap.
Yeah. Small gap, but it's
No,
there.
it filled it. It filled it. 90.50. Yeah, it filled it. Okay.
You're still holding that short, Rico? The ES short that you had on from 6100?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to think what to do with it.
Tesla, judging by the price action today, it looks like it might have a power hour move. It's a setting up for one of those days.